Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade and I'm a fluid artist from Limerick in Ireland. Today I'm going to be doing a skylight blue to about here, and then I'm going to mix a lot of colours in here: turquoise blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, a bit of gold, some ultramarine violet and a bit of white, and I'm going to blow it up and see what way it comes out. So first of all, I'm going to pour down my base and I'm going to do skylight blue. I said usually I do a dark base, but I said this time I'll do a lot actually lighter this time around. So first I'm going to put down my base. I'm going to spread it out, make sure it's all even. And I mix my acrylic paints, Amsterdam paints. I use 90% of the time, and another 10% of the time I'd use Winsor Newton. But today all of them are Amsterdam. And I only mix my paints with water. So what I'll do is, if you want to see how that is done, I have done a video on it already, and I will link it in the description or put it somewhere in this video. So now we have down our base layer, make sure we cover all the sides, and then I'm going to torch it, get rid of all our air bubbles. So when I have this done, I am going to start layering my colour. So I'm just going to put another bit of a line of my skylight blue. I'm going to go with my phthalo green on top of that. And then I'm going to put it down on the bottom. I ran out of that one, but I have another one here. So here we go, put it in every part of the canvas. So the last time I actually went a bit too heavy on my, down here, this part. I put too much paint and it actually took like 3.5 days to dry. So I'm not going to be that heavy-handed with my paint today. That is my phthalo blue I just put down. I'm going to put a bit of ultramarine violet. So layer it across, then come down into all the spaces. The last one I did actually came out really nice. It was a Winsor blue dark base, and similar to these colours. Oh yeah, I have turquoise blue. So I'm going to put that along first here, and then mix in the match into the blank spots. And to top it off, I have a little bit of gold. So I haven't much left, so instead of throwing it out, I'm going to use what I do have. Very little left. So there's my gold. As much in as I can, and then I'm going to put a bit of white along and put it in around down the bottom as well. And now I'm going to torch here, get all the air bubbles out. And now for the fun part. So I am going, there's not one or two bubbles up here, sorry. So the fun part is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to blow this down just a little bit, and then I'm going to blow up. So here we go. And now to blow out. sometimes when I blow it out, it doesn't come out exactly how I'd like it. So what I do then is I maneuver it myself. So I am not liking this. It's just not doing it for me. So I am going to take it away because I really don't. It's just not doing anything for the painting. So as I said, scrape again and just get rid of it. So just make sure to have extra paint for a base. So if you do make a mistake, you can just scrape it and put on more base paint. So that's what, as you've seen, I've done twice here, but okay to make mistakes. So now we're going to put down more of my Skylight base blue. And spread it. So now I've scraped all that out. I'm going to see what way I can work this. So I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to blow out this little bit. And then go for a little bit over this way.